Hello my friend, in this video I'm going to answer a quick question that one of my subscribers asked on one of my recent videos. Now he was asking about emojis. Now you know that emojis play a big role in capturing your audience's attention when it comes to getting them to look at your content on the different social media platforms. Well, YouTube doesn't actually allow you to have a button to be able to click and put emojis in your description or in your title. So in this video, I'm going to show James how to do that and you as well. So stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around, my friend. Bob Brown here. Hey, if you are an active subscriber, I want to say welcome back. If you're new to my channel, listen, I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. If you're also a network marketer and you're looking for the tips, the tools, and the training to leverage social media to build your online business and presence and build a brand for yourself, then you're in the right place. And all you have to do to get more videos just like this is smash that subscribe button, go ahead and click on the bell notification, and that way you're going to get notified every time I put out a new video just like this to help you to build your business online. We also talk about passive income on this channel as well, and how to create an income, whether you're at work, whether you're with friends, whether you're on vacation, it doesn't matter. If you're looking to put passive income into your pocket, you know, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you click the link below this video, it'll take you over to another page and I'll give you all the details of how you can get started creating passive income for yourself as well. So let's go ahead and jump on the computer and I'm going to answer that question and show you how to put emojis in your title and on your description inside of your YouTube channel. So let's do this. Okay guys, here we are on my YouTube channel. This is a recent video that I uploaded, and on that video there was a question that actually came in concerning my description and the emojis that I use in that description. And that question came from James Rivera, and James says this: can you do a video showing how you use all the symbols in your description, like the yellow bell, the hand, the green box, the check mark, etc. Please show us how to do that. So in this video, James, I'm showing you how I'm actually using these emojis and how I put them in there to help you out. So let me take my audience over here, and this is what he's talking about. So these are the emojis that I use here. Got different ones, these boxes, arrows, and everything else. These red dots, the check boxes, and the bell for subscribing as well. So as you noticed, if you've ever created a YouTube description, there's not a way to actually just push a button and the emojis pop up so you can choose your emoji and put them in there. So basically what you have to do is you have to copy and paste the emojis in here. Now some of the emojis that I have in here are some that I found on different descriptions, and I've actually copied them in here. I've liked what they look like, and so I was able to do that. But there's a place where I actually go to get all of my emojis that I can copy and paste. And even I use them on Facebook, even though Facebook has it, even though Instagram has it. Sometimes I use these certain emojis because they give me a wider range of emojis than you'd normally get on some of the social media platforms. So anyway, if you go over to this website right here, and this is getemoji.com, and on this particular website here, it will actually give you hundreds of different types of emojis that you can use. Now a lot of these are same as you can find on some of the other social media platforms, but there's just definitely a lot more of them here, and they're varied. And so I like using these, and it's really simple, so you can find whatever you want, you know, and you can just copy it and paste it into whatever application that you're using. So this is what I'll do for my YouTube video descriptions to help to make them stand out. So as people are scrolling through, boom, you know, it actually, you know, look at this right here, or, you know, here's the red dot, and so it kind of stands out. So you want to make your descriptions pop. Now you can actually use these in your titles for your videos as well. And so as people are scrolling through the different thumbnails, when they actually do a search for a specific video that they're looking for, you know, you'll see sometimes that they'll have either emoji or different types of symbols within that title to make it stand out just a little bit more. Again, we're in a crowded market space, so anything that you can do to make yourself stand out from the crowd, you want to try and do that. So James, this is just one of the ways that I use to actually put the emojis in there. Hey, for you guys that want to know, I just want to give a shout out to James as well. James is another YouTube creator, and he does some videos on health and wellness. He does a Body Beast, videos showing you how to actually use the Body Beast program to get your body back in shape. So that's James Rivera there. You can go over and check out his channel. Or search for him there. And so listen guys, that's just a real quick video. I wanted to show you how to do this particular thing. Not a whole lot to it. So I hope that really helps you out. So I'll talk to you in the next video. So there you have it, my friend. Just another little tip to help get a little pizzazz on your YouTube video titles and your description there. Adding those emojis can really make a big difference. So make sure you try those things out. Listen, if you got some value in this, do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, go ahead and leave a couple of your favorite emojis that you like using on your different social media platforms. That would be awesome. And if you got somebody else that can use this, share this video with them. Also, I've got a 99-minute training. If you want to learn more about YouTube and how you can actually apply some more tips and tricks to be able to get more views and to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel from a good friend of mine. And also along with that training video, you're going to get a PDF with 101 different video ideas so that you can start creating more content and get more eyeballs on your channel. So you can grab that by clicking on the link below. Listen, again, thanks again for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, and I will talk to you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye now.